as a solo camera operator, a portable green screen solution has meant all the difference to my work. Hello, my name is James Watts. I'm a freelance camera operator and editor based in the southwest of England. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the new retractable green screen from PiXAPRO. Green screen shoots are always a bone of contention for me because of the sheer amount of gear needed. And as a solo shooter, it's always a choice between how much gear do I bring and how much do I leave behind. With a traditional green screen shoot for me, I'm bringing the pop-up background, extra stands, a crossbar and sandbags, and it's a lot of extra gear to bring with me. The retractable green screen from PiXAPRO solves all of those problems though. It's all one unit. The retractable green screen works in almost exactly the same way as a pop-up banner. There are no extra stands, there are no sandbags, it's all self-contained in one unit. In the shoot I've just finished with a client, I was using the 100B Mark III from PiXAPRO as a key light with a 90cm deep parabolic softbox, and then I was using a Leno 256S as a fill light because you never want to use reflected light when you're working with the green screen because you just reflect all of that green back into the subject's face and it's a nightmare to key out in the skin tones. Lighting the green screen itself, I've got two Venix 1500S panels and I'm using their softboxes and their grids so that it's a really nice soft light on the green screen, but at the same time it's directional, it's not spilling all over the place. The screen itself is really easy to use and when it's lit correctly is really easy to key out in After Effects. The shoot I've just done, I've used the Panasonic GH5S and a Ninja V to combine the 10-bit 422 color of the GH5S with the exposure tools that are available on the Ninja V, like false color and the one-to-one zoom. The pop-up green screen isn't just for camera operators and videographers. It can be used for people who are creating online tutorial videos or gaming videos. It's really easy to store at home or in your office and pull it out when you need to. Having a portable green screen, which is an all-in-one unit, has meant all the difference in my corporate video production because now it means that I can bring along the green screen without having to bring along extra bags, extra stands, extra sandbags. I can just bring this one unit and know that it's going to be much easier and more effective to use, especially with my corporate clients.